Welcome back to Saizi Makeovers. Today's agenda, a stunning glitter eye makeup look, perfect for any special occasion. Step 1. Prime your eyes. Apply a small dab of eye primer to secure your eyeshadow all day. Step 2. Base eyeshadow. Sweep on a neutral eyeshadow to even out your lid and prepare it for the glitter. Step 3. Glitter adhesive. Use it to amplify the sparkle and ensure the glitter sticks better. Step 4. Choose your glitter shade. Subtle shimmer or bold glitter, it's all up to you. Step 5. Apply the glitter. Pat it gently onto your lid using a flat brush or your fingertip. Step 6. Blend and define. Soften the glitter edges and add a darker eyeshadow to the outer corner for definition. Step 7. Eyeliner and mascara. Line your eyes and finish with a mascara coat to complete the look. Voila! You've created a dazzling glitter eye makeup look. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe, hit the like button and share the sparkle. Until next time, Saizi Makeovers is signing off.